In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ton from Binance to Bitget exchange. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have ton available on Binance, you can easily transfer it into Bitget exchange. All that you have to do is set up your wallet and you will be able to receive any amount that you transfer over. So starting on Bitget, grab your wallet address. To do this, go over to your assets, so open the app and then tap assets at the bottom right corner, and you will find the option to add funds. When you tap add funds, you will be able to select the coin and the method in which you would like to add those funds. Make sure that you choose deposit crypto. When you choose deposit crypto, you will find ton coin among the options. So usually it should be listed under the popular coins, but if you don't see it here, just use the search function or scroll through the list until you find ton coin. Once you choose ton from the list, you will be given the QR code and the actual deposit address. So this address will be used to receive the ton from other exchange wallets into Bitget. So copy this wallet address and now go over to Binance or any other exchange where you will be sending the ton from. Once you go to that specific exchange wallet, go to your portfolio or your assets, and you will be able to find ton available in there as long as you have sufficient balance. So tap on ton and you will find withdraw. Once you choose withdraw, select send via crypto network. You will then be able to paste the wallet address that you copied from Bitget. So as long as you have it copied, just long tap here and it should be input. With the Bitget wallet address input, you just need to fill out the other information needed. So the network should be automatically selected. Usually it is going to be ton coin. Memo should be optional, and then the withdrawal amount. You can choose to send the max amount of ton or a specific one in accordance to this minimum here. Be aware of any included network fees, like as you can see here, so you will not be able to receive the full amount that you send over. You will lose a little bit because of this fee, but regardless, you can initiate this transfer to receive close to the amount. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer ton from Binance to Bitget exchange. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.